Today, I want to show you how to make air-fried potatoes. So simple that you can make them all the time and keep them in your fridge. So I baked up a big batch of russet potatoes. I baked them at about 375 and I baked them for about 45-50 minutes. It just depends on the size of the potato. Then you put them in the fridge overnight. The coolest part about this is you get this wonderful thing called resistant starch by keeping it in the fridge overnight. That is a very, very healthy form of fiber that's really good for your gut microbiome. Then the next day when you're ready to make them, you cut them up into whatever fry shape you like. I kind of like them looking like kind of wedges, and just spread them out evenly. I'm going to preheat my oven. I'm doing 400 degrees. You could do this in regular oven. You could do this in one of these little smart ovens. You could do it air fryer style. Either way, you just want to make sure it gets nice and brown on the outside. Potatoes are the perfect food. They are so satisfying. They're one of the most satisfying foods, actually, by definition. They've got a lot of vitamins. People think there's nothing healthy and redeeming in a potato, but there's a lot of wonderful things in potatoes. But I'm gonna use some cayenne pepper because I like it spicy. I'm just gonna sprinkle a little bit of cayenne. And then I always love to add a little bit of nutritional yeast. So I take a little scoop of nutritional yeast, I just kind of brush it on top. We're gonna pop these in the oven now. And 15 to 20 minutes, again, depending on the size, you wanna make sure they're nice and golden brown, you can pull them out of the oven. Air fries, delicious. Enjoy them by themselves with some ketchup, some low sugar ketchup, or whatever sauce you love.